You got plenty of light. She's glowing.
Cloudy.
The Cockatoo Beautician.
It's Cockatoo Beauty
Doing
School.
Mr. Zisk's hair in the evening.
Getting ready for school. Takes a lot of work getting ready for school.
You've got to look just right. And the Cockatoo will help you.
She helps me. She gives me my swag. This is my swag.
She's got the eye for it. She knows what cool is.
See, all of you kids, a couple of months, you'll be coming to school looking like this. You'll be jealous and you want to know, how is it that I get my hair the way I do? You won't believe it when I tell you.
But now you have proof.
My beautician is a bird. It's good for the scalp for it to be massaged and scratched. It induces growth and healthy hair. So another reason why my hair looks so good and grows so fully is because my scalp is regularly massaged.
It's also like selectively cutting a forest.
Yeah.
Thin it out and everything else is healthier.
She thins it out. So the technique of holding parts of hair while thinning out others is one that she just intuitively understands. That's why she's very expensive. This treatment here is going to cost a couple $100, but it's worth it.
Well, actually, some pets and a few kisses on the Cockatoo.
Mm-hmm.